Hi everyone, welcome to Fixsoft. In this video we'll walk through how to run Python in PyCharm on Windows. First we'll install Python, after that set up PyCharm. After that we will connect both Python and PyCharm, and then run our first Python program. So let's start with installing Python. First of all, open your browser and search for Python. Click the official site python.org. Hover over the Downloads menu and you'll see the latest Python release. Click it to download the installer. Once the setup file finishes downloading, right-click it and open it. Python setup window will open. Turn on Use admin privileges and add Python to path. Then choose Customize installation. The installer will automatically include important tools like pip and idle. Leave everything as it is and click Next. In Advanced Options, select Install Python for all users. Then click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. When it's done, click Close. Now let's verify the installation of Python. Open the Start menu, type cmd, and open the command prompt. Now enter this command and press Enter. If Python version appears, it means the installation is successful. Now we will install PyCharm. Search for PyCharm in your browser. Open the official link. PyCharm is now offered as a unified product, so simply scroll down and click Download button. The download page will open. Here again click Download, and the setup file will start downloading. When downloading finishes, right-click the file and open it. Click Next through the setup. PyCharm installs to the default location and it needs about 3.4 GB of space. If you want a desktop shortcut, select it, then click Install. When the installation finishes, click Finish. Now open PyCharm. Now click on Skip Import. PyCharm will start and show the welcome screen. Now go to Projects and click New Project. PyCharm will automatically detect the Python 3.114 installation and show the correct interpreter path. Choose it. Here enter your project name. For example, name it Fixsoft project. Then click Create. Your first PyCharm project will now open. Now click on the project, right-click inside the Venn environment section. Select New, then choose Python file. Name it something you like. Choose Python from the list and press Enter, and it will create a new file for you. In the new file, write a simple print statement. If you want the top menu bar to appear, open View, then Appearance, then go to Main menu. Here enable the above toolbar option. Now right-click the file and run the project. Your output will appear at the bottom of the window, confirming that your first Python program ran successfully. So friends, that's it, we have successfully run Python program in PyCharm on Windows. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.